How to fix high CPU usage caused by SeachUI.EXE after installing KB4512941 on Windows 10 1903. Here's some tips that may help you fix high CPU usage caused by SeachUI.EXE after installing KB4512941 on Windows 10 1903. 1. To address the high CPU load caused by the SeachUI.EXE process. Uninstall then block Windows 10 cumulative update KB4512941 from reinstalling. http://bit.ly/2dacn2m. How to temporarily prevent a driver update from reinstalling in Windows 10. Yet, keep your Windows up to date. 2. Open then backup registry editor, go to hkey_current_user /software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/search, and change the value of Bing search enabled from 0 to 1.